In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you these 5 crawler obstacles that I've designed and how you can download and print them for free. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Troy. This is Roadside RC. You'll tend to find me out crawling and bashing or drifting or racing, plus doing product review videos and how-tos. And ever since I got this TRX4M, I've been messing around with some different designs of crawler obstacles that I could print directly on my 3D printer, all as one piece, and then have fun with. These are the 5 final obstacles that I've created. I'm going to show you each one, and down below in the video description is going to be a link to Printables where you can download and then print these for yourself for free. This first one's what I call kind of just the simple mountain. Nice design here, up and over and back down, and depending on which side you come up, it's a little bit harder. This design I called the Chevron because it kind of reminds me of like old school monster truck Chevron pattern in their tires. My kids actually thought it looked much more like dragon scales, so that's kind of the idea behind this one, and really should be more of a suspension bounce test. This one's much more complex. We got shapes, we got cutouts going through it, we got triangle and circles. In this one, everybody loves a good flex challenge. So with this one, you got about a 40mm tall flex on one side to go through. This last one is, I called it the Cathedral crawl because the cutouts in it kind of remind me of cathedral spirals, but we're going up and up and up. The first step is 15mm. Every step after is actually 20mm up. Now, I know that not everybody out there has a 3D printer, so if you're interested in these obstacles, look on Printables, download the file, see if you have a friend that can print them. If there's enough interest, I may actually print some and list some on eBay if anybody really wants them. But the other way that you can actually get to drive on these exact same obstacles is go out to Big Buddha's RC Ranch. And now we're out here at the Big Buddha's RC Ranch because they have been working and putting in a whole small scale crawler course right over here in the edge of the barn. And we are donating all of these 3D printed items to the course. And so we're going to get in there and try it out. And if you are interested in actually using these 3D printed obstacles, you have 2 choices now. 1, you can actually go on the Printables site and print them out yourselves, or 2, you can come here to the Big Buddha's RC Ranch and you can drive on them right here. Let's check it out. I really hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions about how I designed them, what printer I have, any of that kind of stuff, please leave those comments down here below in the video description. And I have a whole TRX4M playlist over here to your right, where you can see other modifications and everything that I've done to these trucks. So thank you for your interest, and goodbye.